What's going on, guys? Eric here. Welcome back to the channel. We need to go ahead and get cracking on this 2004 Mazda RX8. So we need to get this front end removed so we can truly see what damages we got going on, what parts we need to get, and get them on order. Now I may have scheduled picking up some parts tomorrow already, and I haven't even pulled this front end off, so we need to get cracking. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so we got the front bumper off, got both headlights off, we got a couple of these miscellaneous brackets off as well. Unfortunately, both our headlights are pretty well damaged in some facet or another. That's alright though, there's plenty of junk in here. The styrofoam, etc., broken brackets. All this is from the bumper. Next thing we need to do is pull this diffuser off from the bottom. Go ahead and cut this off because we'll probably leave these little brackets on so they can pull this straight. And it's not much to pull, but just enough to be an annoyance. So let's go ahead and get these under trays off. So small change in plans. So this core support seems to go further back than I thought it did. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this front fender off and see how far back it goes. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so we got the driver's side fender off. And unfortunately, looking over this front core support, if you will, I was hoping that we'd just be able to pull this front part off, but it goes all the way back into here, so we might try to fix this, bend it back without having to drill and re-weld a new piece on there. So unfortunately, we're at a stopping point at the moment because the original owners were so kind enough to put these locking lug nuts on here, and I don't have a tool to take those off. So until I get that, I can't take this other inner fender off to pull this fender off. We do need to pull the engine out of here. We could carry on to this, start pulling all the rest of this components off, but it's starting to get late on us, so we're going to call it a wrap for today. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more action on the old Mazda RX8. And don't forget to check out the FC07 and Jeep videos we have coming along. Slowly but surely they're getting there, so stay tuned for more.